Hello, today I would like to focus on deleting pods. So we will try to get rid of pods from our environment. But first of all, you need to understand some things. kubectl get pod-a will present all the pods that are running in all namespaces. And you can see we are using different namespaces. So what will happen if I will try to remove all the pods that I want to delete actually. So kubectl delete pods and now --all. What happened? It deleted pods from the default namespace. Just because default namespace is set as default, so it deleted only pods that were created in this default namespace and nothing more than this. I do not recommend using these commands on the production server, even on the development server, even on test server. Why? Because you can remove someone else's pod, and that is why I really recommend to delete only your pods manually, or eventually create first a namespace, then set it as default or not. It depends on you, but if you will not set it as default, then every time you create a pod, you need to set a namespace. So kubectl, I will try to present you how to use kubectl to create a namespace. So you need to understand how to do this. Let's say kubectl create a namespace, and I will use it. Not test, but I already have it. Okay, it can be join or eventually my pods, something like that. And you can see my pod is created because kubectl get namespace. It will show you that we have my pods created. 9 seconds. Okay, and now what we want to do, we want to create a pod. So it will be not run on failure, but we will do something like this. We will create Ubuntu, image Ubuntu, but namespace will be my pods, like that. And you can see it's created a pod. So if we will get pod-a, you can see Ubuntu created in the namespace my pods. So if we want now to delete the pod, so we will use -n namespace and my pods. Excellent. This way you can delete all the pods that are created in your namespace, and you're not removing someone else's pods. Now we know how to delete pods properly. I wish you a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.